How to use 2Energy review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. 2Energy is one of the largest electricity providers in Texas, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost money or cause service issues. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't compare plans before signing up. The surprising truth is 2 offers multiple plans with variable rates, fixed rates, and renewable energy options. Choosing without comparing could mean paying more than necessary. Another common mistake is ignoring contract terms. Some plans have early termination fees or require a minimum commitment. Overlooking these details can result in unexpected charges if you switch providers. Many users also neglect monitoring their usage. 2 provides online tools and an app to track consumption. Ignoring these resources can lead to higher bills without noticing patterns that can save energy and money. Neglecting payment options is another trap. 2 allows autopay, one-time payments, and budget plans. Failing to select the right option may cause late fees or inconsistent billing. Finally, beginners often miss out on promotional offers. 2 frequently has discounts for new customers, energy efficiency programs, and referral bonuses. Not checking promotions means leaving savings on the table. In conclusion, using 2Energy properly means comparing plans, reading contract terms, monitoring usage, choosing the right payment method, and taking advantage of promotions. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smooth service and better control over your electricity costs.